He's in lane 1. And his competition is in lane 2, I think. He's in a crouch. He's in a block position, starting block position. You'll see him. He'll pop up. Look at my boy go. There you go. Run, boy. Run like your mama want to beat you. Come on, boy.
Come on, Manny.
Come on, come on, come on. Push it on, push it on, push it on.
Come on, Keelan! Push it! Come on, Keelan, push it! Come on, Manny, stop swinging! Push it!
Good job, Keon. Good job. Uh-oh, there's his girlfriend. He's ignoring her too. Rude.
Good job in the courage, y'all.
Nope, why's he?